Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. Through you, sir, first of all, I congratulate to the people of the state of Kerala for getting new name of their state as Keralam through constitutional sanction. I, on behalf of my party, United People's Party Liberal, stand to support the Kerala Alteration of Name Bill 2026. Identity of a person or any place starts by the name of itself. Any name of a place or state has a historical connection expressed through the word of a language spoken in a certain geographical area. Sir, the word Keralam is not only mere word, rather has deep connection to the language, culture, and their identity. Sir, alteration of name Kerala to Keralam was much sought after and unanimous demand of the people of the Kerala, and accordingly the proposal was unanimously passed in the State Assembly in 2024, June 2024. And responding the proposal of Kerala State Assembly, the Government of India also has brought this bill to fulfill the desire of the people of Kerala, sir. Thanks to the Government of India for complying the wish of the Keralan people. So at the same time, I want to urge upon the Government of India to bring a legislative bill for the alteration of name of BTAD, Bodoland Territorial Area District, name of 6th Scheduled Council of the Assam, to BTR, Bodoland Territorial Region, adhere to the spirit of the second accord signed in 2020 in presence of Honorable Home Minister of India. ये कमिटमेंट भारत सरकार का था, इसलिए मैं अनुरोध करना चाहता हूँ जल्द से जल्द BTAD को BTR नामकरण के लिए एक विधेयक लाया जाए। मैं अनुरोध करके मेरा बारी समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।